What's good, YouTube? On today's video, we're gonna be doing tutorials on YouTube banners and on YouTube banners, and make sure you guys say WCat in the chat since he was in the intro and shit. Anyway, let's get into the video. Hope you guys do enjoy this video. Smash and like, subscribe for more, and see you guys. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make banners like these right here. This is a YouTube banner. Looks really clean. It's like I made this one for Duke Dennis D Block, of course. Of course he's not gonna use it, or if he sees it, maybe, I don't know. It's his thing. But let's get into the video. You're gonna use this right here, 2560 by 1440, and then hit create. Once you've done that, you're gonna need the YouTube banner template. So you just go on Google YouTube banner template, and you will get a lot of pictures like this. Just use this one, actually not this one. Put it on, and I want you to copy this layer and hide the one on top, because we're gonna use that one later, and put the opacity bit down as well. So yeah, and hide it. So right here, you're gonna use this rectangle or something tool. You're gonna hold shift. Never mind, don't hold shift. But you're gonna go right here like that, and then boom. You gotta make sure it's lined up and everything. See, that's gonna work, you know. So what you want to do is you want to delete this, boom. Then you want to right click, select inverse, and then you want to color these outline thingies, whatever color. Does not matter which color, whatever looks best for your eyes. It's not really gonna matter because we're gonna change it at the end anyway. So just whatever is best for your designing experience, whatever, yeah. Find yourself a high quality background that looks really nice. So we're just gonna move a bit on it so it looks perfect, pretty nice. You want to click filter and blur and Gaussian blur. You want to put this to like around 2.5, which it will look pretty cool. Yeah, cool. Anyway, now you're gonna go find pictures of yourself or of the character or whatever you're making the banner of, or whoever it is. Alright, so I'm gonna show you a little Instagram hack thing. So basically, go on an Instagram picture you want to use for your person. Right click, click inspect, and then delete the first thing you see. Just press delete and then click save, and then you'll be able to save. Because if you don't do this, you will have to save it as a look. If you don't do it, you will have a web page or whatever it's called, the web PNG thing, and that's not gonna work. So that's why you gotta delete the thing. So yeah, that was a little hack. But once you have added it in, what you want to do is you want to click on the magic wand tool and click select subject. It's gonna select the character for you, or the person, I mean, bro. And then you're gonna click Control J, boom, just like that. And if his hair looks a bit off, you can also do refine edges, just like this. So right click and then hold Control and then click on the image here, and then click select the mask, and then use this right here, and you can kind of like, if there's like any edges that look weird, you know. But on this one it does not look weird. So yeah, so we're gonna add him over here. Okay, now that's maybe not a good picture. Wait. All right, so we're actually gonna use KSI. Aiden Ross didn't have that many pictures of. We're just gonna use KSI. I think this could work. Not sure yet, but yeah. Once you have done that, there's only a few things you're gonna need. So you're gonna need a cool font for the text, of course. I have a few fonts you could use. You could use the cream cake one, KSI. Hold on. But yeah, I don't really know which fonts like are good. Cream cake, and then I got like one called Sweem Rasty. But cream cake's probably gonna be better. I actually got another one. It was. Alright, I don't remember the name, but I'm gonna just use cream cake. It looks pretty cool. So just like that, put it in the middle. Make sure it's lined up in the middle, actually, just like that. That looks better, in my opinion, actually, middle. Alright. So, so what you're gonna do now is you're gonna download a pack called the Killer Pack. The Killer Pack is a good pack. It's a free pack as well. You can find it on YouTube. And if I don't forget, it will be in the description. So, yeah. But make sure to join my Discord as well for join my Discord for everything. Like, I have a lot of stuff there and people who can help you and stuff. So join my Discord if you need help or anything. You can DM me on Discord if you need help or anything. So yeah. Once you have this pack, what you want to do is you actually want to take the kilos CCs. You want to put them above everything, and you just want to have them there. Just hide them. Just have them above everything, all right? It's really important. And now what you want to do is you want to click on social media icons, and you're going to pick the social media icons you want to promote. Of course, I'm only going to promote Instagram and Twitter since I'm just like that, you know? All right, so this is his Instagram. Yep. All right, so this is the Instagram icon right there, and the Twitter icon is this one. All right, there we go. Now once you've done that, you actually want to go back here. You want to go to lights, and the first one, you need it as well. Put it in the middle. Put it right there, and it will look like that. Once you've done that, you want to pick light. Oh, no, it's on this pack. You're gonna need another pack, by the way, but I'm gonna show you that later. So right now, what you want to do is you want to click on where's it, particles, and it's probably this one. Yeah, so it's this one right here. You could add a bit of leaves to make it look more alive, kind of thing. And you can add these, put the saturation a bit up so it matches the other ones. Put it right there. And then you can put it behind the thing. And actually add a bit of blur. So blur, motion blur, and then make sure it's that direction. So it looks something like this. Now what you want to do with the icons you have, you're going to call this one Twitter. So just call it T. And this is the IG. So the Twitter one, you're gonna put right here. Make sure it's smaller. Make sure it's like this size right here. Same with the IG, you're gonna make it smaller. But with the IG, there's a thing I'm gonna show you guys to make it look cleaner. So look, select the magic wand tool, hold shift, press on the white, press on this white, and press on this white, and then Control J, and then remove the IG, and then here you want to actually add this color overlay and add whatever color you want. I'm gonna add white, and then let's call this IG, and same for this one. So actually, if you can just do copy layer style and paste layer style, there we go. And now you can add the IG. Let's just see if it's good size. Yep, that's perfect. And we're gonna add it over there. Let's make them a bit smaller actually. Trust me, sometimes you don't want to have your things too big. Just like that. That's gonna work. Now what you want to use the Helvetica font. I don't know how you say this. You want to press just dot. You want to have like dots like this, and you want to put them in the middle kind of thing. You want to put them just like that. Hold shift and put them down. But I'll Control J to copy it. There we go. It's gonna look something like this. Let's do 3 pixels to the right. There you go. That's gonna work. Now you can put your name right here. Just put okay, I don't even know what KSI's thing is, so KSI Instagram. Let's see. There we go. I just added his name. So just add your name or whatever you have on your social things. And now what you want to do, you want to actually you don't need this pack anymore. You could use the other stuff if you want to, but just don't make it too much. What you could do now is actually you want to add lightnings to the highlights. So create another layer and then hold Alt and then click here. Now as you can see, the light is coming from here, so you want to add a bit of light from this side. So just like that, put the opacity a bit down. You want to create another layer. You want to just do a little bit, then put the opacity a bit down. You want to make it a bit like yellow kind of ish. yellowish, so it gets like the sunset vibe. There we go. Yup, and now you want to create another one. Add a bit more. I'm gonna create another layer, make this a bit bigger, just like that. I just put the opacity bit down. And now you could do black on this side, just like this. You don't really need to do that, just makes everything look more realistic. There you go. So now you see the light is coming from there. Now you can merge all of this actually and click filter and camera raw filter. You actually want to make the person a bit better in the camera raw filter. So you can put the exposure a bit up, the contrast a bit down, up, shadows a bit down. Just mess around. Textures, you want to put this on max. Clarity, you could put it on max, but I don't recommend it on completely max. It's just like 15. The haze, you don't have to really mess around. The vibrance and the color grading is gonna be to like a yellowish, orangish. Kind of vibe. There you go. So now if you click OK, it's gonna look something like that. And that already looks better in my opinion. So now what you can do is open up the same pack. I'm pretty sure this one is free as well. It's gonna be in the description, or you're gonna have to search on YouTube. If I remember to put in the description, it'll be in the description. But it's called same pack, just like this right here. Why this pack is because of the nature stuff. You're gonna be needing stuff like this, and this stuff you're gonna get in other packs as well, but I really don't know which pack. Oh, and by the way, if you see like your light right here, go to the light PNG thing, put the CCs on top. Remember, go to the light source thing. Yep, the light source, and put the razor tool and just erase the lines if you have lines. If you don't, then that's fine. Yeah, should be good. Now go back to this, and you want to mess around with these. Let's just mess around with the leaves, and yeah, I'll get back to you guys. Oh yeah, and bring the lightness a bit down like this, and then click filter, blur, Gaussian blur. There you go, and then put some type of blur. Yep, and just do that on the whole thing. So yeah. There we go. Now it should look something like this. Now we're at the best part. So you actually want to go to the top layer, or the before the CCs. You want to go to the bottom layer, and you want to actually merge. Wait. Before, take this on top as well. Now go to the top layer, go to the bottom, click on this, click Ctrl J, click Ctrl E, and then hide this one. And now you have this. Now you want to open up this. You want to hide this. And now let's mess around with the CCs. So yeah, just put on the CCs that you like, that makes the design look better. And yeah, so just go through all CCs and apply the ones that look best. Alright, and then once you have done all of that, you want to actually copy this. You want to hold control, select this, and hold control, and then Control E to merge it. And you can actually hide this one. So now what you have is this cool banner. You're still not done though. So actually what you want to do now is click camera raw filter, and you're gonna mess around with the camera raw filters right here. And yep. So you just want to mess around with the settings of everything here. Here you can select what color you want your whole theme to be. You can have it blue if you want to, you can have it red. I'm still gonna go with the sunset kind of vibe. So here you can see before and after if you press P. So this is the banner, but you could use without camera raw filter if you want. So let's just delete that. I think it looked better like this. Anyway, yeah, here you have your banner. What you want to do now, you're still not done, is go to the first layer right here, drag this to the top, the thumbnail, or not, the background I mean. Drag it and then hold Alt just like that to make it look like this, and then you merge them. Click filter, blur, Gaussian blur, put it on 10 or whatever, and it will look like this. Now you can actually put on outline if you want to, but don't do that actually. But yeah, and there we go. I just had to fix, so you can have the background like this. Now what you do, once you have done that, you of course have this, so you can just merge this. Actually, now you can put made by and then your name if you want to. So this full size banner thing will only show on TV, but I don't know if anyone watches YouTube on TV. I mean, maybe, not saying like people don't, you know, but let's just put made by, and then here you put your name. That's what I usually do every time. So you can merge both of these, put them on overlay, and it'll look something like this. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Smash a like and subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next video. I forgot to mention, if you go to the character layer, you could add an outer glow as well, just like this, and an inner glow. Where's that? Inner glow, inner shadow, no, inner glow, just like that, to make the character look just like this. Yeah, so just forgot to mention that. And yeah, also you can just do that. Yep, there you go. Also forgot to mention, if you guys don't know how to save a file, you click file, save as, save on your computer, then select the format to PNG, and then YouTube, name it whatever you want. Yeah, see you guys.